Here's how to install the Sonos ARC TV Mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 2 fixing arms, 1 soundbar mount, 5 M5 screws, 2 soundbar screws, 2 soundbar anchors, 2 spacers, 4 arm washers, 4 TV screws. Here are the tools needed for this installation. Here's how to assemble the TV mount and fixing it to the TV. First, unfold the wall mount. Next, lock the wall mount with an M5 screw. Optionally, you can attach the included spacer to create a 1.5 inch or 38mm gap between your speaker and the wall. Attach the mounting arm in this position for TV VESA pattern between 300mm and 600mm wide. You can also attach the mounting arm in this position for TV VESA pattern between 100mm and 200mm wide. Secure the arms with the provided screws. Next, attach the soundbar anchors with the provided screws. Then, connect the power cable. Position the assembly between the back of your TV and the wall bracket. Then install the wall bracket along with the speaker TV mount. Use the provided mounting washer and screws for added security. Next, anchor the TV assembly to the wall bracket. Lastly, anchor the soundbar to the TV mount.